This is a smoothie bag, an inefficient but fun way to make smoothies and get some exercise at the same time. It's dead easy to use, just fill it up with some fruit, get on the bike and start pedalling. I filled mine up with strawberries and blueberries and I really enjoyed the smoothies that I got out of it. They're pretty good. By going slower you get a chunkier drink and it's really rather nice. We got these smoothie bites from Oldham College. Unfortunately, they suffer from the same problem that all dishes do around teenagers, they don't get washed. So the college asked us, is there anything we can do to make the bike still relevant, but a little bit less messy? So why not make the bike into a game controller? The blender's spindle is driven directly from the tyre with the friction pit. And by putting this disc onto the spindle, we can time how long it takes to do a full rotation, and from that we can get a direct speed. I designed a small PCB using an ESP32, and underneath this there's an opto reflector that picks up the white section of the disc. We're getting a LED flash there every time it goes past, and using hardware interrupts we can time this very accurately. From this we can get a speed, and we can send that speed over a WebSocket to a game that's running on a browser. Here's a quick racing game that I knocked up. It's a 1500 metre dash and it's actually quite difficult. We've also got a Flappy Bird game, but unfortunately I didn't get that running in time to make this video. But yeah, it was quite a nice little quick project this, really enjoyed it. If you want to see this, or maybe even have a go, come along to the Inclusive Bike shop in Spindle's shopping precinct in Oldham. See you there.